Situation in Manipur remains to be tense, but it is calmer than what it was in Saturday and Sunday. Monday evening at around 6 p.m., meeting started in Chief Minister's office come residence, Biren Singh's residence, along with the NDA MLAs. Out of 37 MLAs, 26 MLAs participated there, and their 8-point resolution was taken. Now, this 8-point resolutions are almost those demands of the Meiteis which they are raising from the valley. Number one demand out of those 8 demands that resolution was passed, number one demand is reconsideration of AFSPA that has been reimposed by the central government last week. Number two, their important demand was that to declare the Kuki militant organization. According to them, the Kukis are militants and their organization should be banned within 7 days. That's what their demand is. Steps should be taken against the people who have killed 6 innocent Meiteis whose dead bodies whose dead bodies have been recovered from Jiri River. Along with that, they have also demanded that all these cases of the death of these 6 women and children whose bodies have been found in Jiri River, along with that the woman who was killed there, also another killing which took place in Bishnupur, all these cases should be taken over by NIA, and they have condemned the attack that has taken place on the MLA and the minister's residence. But the most important point is definitely the AFSPA. The second important point is that the Kuki people who are behind all this, according to the Meiteis, they should be given strong punishment. Their organization should be declared as banned, and also the fact that they want the investigation to be taken over by NIA. And if these things are not done within 7 days, then they will again sit and they will declare their course of action. Clearly, the valley peoples and the Kokomis pressure is there on the Meiteis, all the ministers and MLAs. So definitely their resolution has come up according to their the demands that has been placed by the Kokomi. Now, this is the biggest challenge. Will the central government take any step according to the resolution that has been passed by Biren Singh, or Biren Singh has to see some other path? That is the most important thing. And some of the MLAs were absentees too, near about 7 MLAs were not present there. That too is also important. Politically, how Manipur goes, that is to be seen. Additional forces are coming, huge number of additional forces are coming. We'll have to really see that with this additional force, whether peace stays in Manipur or not. But the situation on Monday is calmer than what it was. That is one positive point. We really have to see what the central government decisions are regarding the resolution taken by N. Biren Singh and the MLA and ministers.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.